Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Overwatch 2 not launching. It's easy if you want to fix it. All you have to do, now click here and type game mode settings. Turn on this one, captures, turn off background recording and recorded audio. Go to Xbox game bar, turn off the first one, close it, and then go to device manager. Now go to display adapters, double click on the first one, driver, and then update driver. Do the same thing to the next one, and then restart your PC. And after starting your PC, go to the GeForce Experience, check for updates, and make sure to install the latest driver that you can find. Now just try again, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.